Here's how to import and export WooCommerce customers without manually recreating every single customer account. Go to your plugin section, hit Add New Plugin, and search for Export and Import Users and Customers plugin by WebToffee. The free version does everything you need here, so just install and activate it. After activation, you'll see WebToffee Import Export Basic show up in your WordPress menu. That's where you'll handle all this customer data stuff. For exporting customers, click the Export tab and pick User or Customer from the dropdown. You want Advanced Export because it gives you control over what actually gets included. The basic export misses too much important stuff. The filter screen lets you get specific about which customers you're pulling. You can filter by user roles if you only want actual customers and not subscribers. You can target specific email addresses or set date ranges for customers who signed up during certain periods. Leave everything blank if you want everyone. Step 4 shows you all the customer fields available for export. The basic stuff like login and email is at the top, but scroll down for the WooCommerce data. You'll see billing first name, billing address, billing phone, all the payment stuff customers have saved. Same thing for shipping fields, like shipping first name, shipping address, shipping city. When you select these, they pull all the related address components automatically. Step 5 handles the file creation. You can name your export file whatever makes sense, or let it auto-generate names. The batch size controls how many customers get processed at once. If you have thousands of customers, smaller batches prevent timeouts. Hit export and it compiles everything. When it's done, click download file to save the CSV to your computer. You'll have complete customer profiles with all their billing and shipping addresses. Importing works the same way, but backwards. Click the import tab, choose user customer, then advanced import for full control. Upload your CSV file by dragging it in or browsing for it. Step 3 maps your CSV columns to the right database fields. The plugin usually gets this right automatically, but double check that billing fields map to billing locations and shipping data goes to shipping fields. Getting this wrong means customer data ends up in random places. Step 4 gives you options for handling existing customers. Skip if user exists prevents overwriting current customer info. Update replaces existing data with whatever's in your CSV. Set your batch size based on how much your server can handle without choking. Start the import and watch the progress screen. When it finishes, your customers show up in the users section with all their WooCommerce data intact. They can log in immediately, and their saved billing and shipping info will be there for checkout.